Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends wherever you are from. It's Mr. Back again. It's Pablo_KE. We do what we do best, man. It's another lovely morning. Thank Almighty God for all the divine favors. You know, when you wake up and you're okay, say thank you to God, because He has added one day. And whoever will be watching these, trust me, you'll be able to get to the end of the year, and still I prophesy that there are more years for you to come and enjoy the fruits of this world. Someone shout amen. This is a small farm. It has been raining here. I told you one thing about these species of these vegetables. They don't get old unless you uproot them. They grow, you harvest, grow, harvest, grow, harvest. They can go tall, but even to a certain amount. Depends with how you do, like you put up fertilizer and stuff like that. So in this video I'll be able to show you how far we are in the construction. But before getting there, I'll have to show you the nature. Power of nature, man. Ooh. Look, we got bananas and there's a river flowing here. Look, a banana in the river, right? Some people say that maybe they can't do well. The banana won't be that sweet because of water. No, it does well. It does well. Look, there's water. It gets water from here, goes back. Look how green it is. The rains have really rained here, and this place, you can see it has gone deep. It used to be like high like this. And now, because of the rains, this soil is not that strong. It's not that strong. That's why you see it's being swept away. I love how this person has planted his vegetables. You know, here you plant, they come, and the ladies are selling at the market. They come and get it. And that one there, it's no grass, that's wheat. Is it wheat? Wheat, right? Wimpy wheat, huh? Yeah, it's wheat. This wheat looks like grass. Now, most of the people here are small scale farmers, not large scale farmers. So that's why you see not much of the food stuff that you see here. Trying to figure out a way. Let me go this way. You see, we planted. The maize are doing well. You can see some even are harvesting. See the corn that you see there? The ones who planted early are harvesting. I also planted late. Mine are at this level. At this level. Right. So I see the other wheat. Yeah, this wheat. This this one that I started putting its flowers. Look at these. These are wheat flowers, right? Yeah. So I'm using these roots here heading there. I'm avoiding the main road. It's been a while before I did a video passing here. Wow. So Let me show you around to see how green it is. No, Africa is green. Most of the parts of Africa is green. Mostly East Africa, East, West Africa. Yeah, it's all mostly green. There's some part maybe in the Sahara, not the Sahara. There's a little. This is a desert. I don't know how big it is. I don't know. So we are heading there. I love this part, man. It looks super. It looks nice. Baby chat, freshy. Looks always neat. Tata. Okay. Na benyo no. That's how we greet the elder here. Greeting a man, you say Tata. I think even South Africans call their dad Tata. I think there's that Bantu thing in it. I don't know how they call their moms. So here we are. We are heading there. But still showing you around how green the village is. Showing you around how blessed this place is. Look at that. Man, Africa is rich. Africa is rich. Even in Africa, there's room of investment. There's enough land. Foods that we eat there are there. We call it organic or what? Direct from the farm. You get it? I think that's why mostly, forget about these diseases that are being generated, like oh, there's monkeypox, I don't know, there's what, blah blah blah. The foods that we eat really help us health-wise. Sorry, not wealth-wise, health-wise. Simply because so let me tell you something about that. There's a tree here with our traditions. I don't know if the tradition still works or not. Let me show you. So see these fruits of this tree. When we were young boys, we used to must need some medicine. I don't know how they call it. So trying to show you about this tree. This tree has a lot of history. You know, when we were young boys, we went going to be circumcised by the traditional guys there. In order for you to recover quickly, you get that. You use that to recover. So there's water that they do come and put there, and you recover. And also they used to say, but I'm not quite sure, that if a barren woman, that's what they're saying, a barren woman who has never given birth. Now this is sorghum. You know, this one I was confusing between sorghum or millet. Damn it. Is it sorghum or maybe in the comment section someone can tell me. Is this sorghum or millet? Millet. And the other one was wheat. So I don't know which sorghum or which millet. Or it's the same thing. This one here. This one's. Farmers in the comment section, kindly help us understand this. When it dries up, look, it dry up, it turns color when it's ready like that one there. So I don't know. Sorry. So they were saying when a woman goes 7 times or goes around, they're going around the Tower of, was it the Tower of Babel? Where they went 7 times and it falls down. So they say that's what we used to hear when we were young, and we used to fear like it's a sacred tree. Like, even I'm wondering if it's still there. It's one of the indigenous trees that if you go round, then automatically when she goes sleeps with the husband, sorry, she'll be able to be pregnant. That's what the beliefs, you know. Never, I'll say we have Africa have our cultures and traditional stuff like that, and also that tree. There's a lot of solar. Another one was like, I don't know when someone does what. It has so different use when it's sweet. Korea they call it umuriba. I think that's the name, umuriba, if I'm not wrong. Maybe I've forgotten the name. So it had a lot of, you do a lot of, you can use it. So we used to fear it. The moment you see there, I'll pass far away. But maybe it was one way of, but it's also medicine. When now you're circumcised, then you drop the water, to make that cover remove. It's good. There's water, then you put there, because you know here there's so many, I'll say, herbal medicine that helps a lot. So that's why I tell you, in Africa we are immune to diseases because of the foods that we eat, our climate too. So it really helps us a lot. That's why I tell you, Africa, we are blessed. Forget about this hogwash, all this nonsense usually hear that, oh, Africa are poor, because our leaders are designed people to be poor. Because to me, there's no need of one person being a billionaire in a country that our people are suffering. What if either, rather than even sharing, you invest your resources, the money, and so that the money can circulate? That's my own idea. We wouldn't be going to the Western countries, Asian countries, for loans. And that's why I really supported Donald Trump. Like, I knew the moment he got in, so that even the other term that he was serving, he really cut the aid that was sent to Africa, of which that makes sense. It makes sense, because why should money be coming here and it's not being used properly? Look at this. These are mangoes, man. This one, no one planted these. They grew by themselves. Look. I think the fruits are here. Let me show you. It's indigenous mangoes. I think I needed to get somebody high. These indigenous mangoes. That's just, it's not that big. So there's another mango there, down there. That one is the one that's they did what? I've forgotten that term. So I tell you, I like Donald Trump because he's going to cut off the aid. Let our presidents, let our leaders know how to sort themselves out. We elected you not to go get more aid and put the countries into more debts. That's unacceptable. Now this area of ours has started attracting YouTubers. I think that's like 2 or 3 guys that I know that they need to get a land somewhere here, and I said it. We got there's BT down there, there's Itembe, and there's like 2 or 3 more coming. So also this will be a YouTuber village, place that no one expected. You know, that's how area grows. That's an area grows. I think Itembe is going on with these construction on the other side. We're also going on with ours on the other side. So yeah, it's good when you see such kind of development in an area. That's now why when we say we want to make our village great, such kind of things, projects, when you see people building, when you see a brother or sister making a step, yep, that is it, guys. So let's get there, show you what has been going on, show you where we are, tell you the next step, because I'll keep on showing and showing and showing. And remember to subscribe to this channel, put on the notification at the bell where I put the notification on. The moment we do like, it notifies you guys. So let's head there. This is how the house looks like. Here we are, the whole of this house. I'll take it around. So we need to cover this with concrete so that we can continue the upper walls, because you need strength whereby the masons can put timber. So from tomorrow we'll be doing formwork, whereby we do the timber, then we put the concrete. Victor, this is a
kind of a window or a door.
It's
a window,
so
as well as you can access outside. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a clear glass. With sensitivity.
Yeah. Okay. So
it's
is it
a window?
Okay.
And at the same time a door.
All right. And here it's a master bedroom. That's we call it a master in suite, maybe. That's its bathroom. This is the living area. There's a window here. It's the front porch. Guys working on this stuff here too. This is the front porch. This is the master. This is the living area. Then we got a kitchen here, and also here we have the studio. This is the studio. The walling that needs to be done, the walls that need to be built here. There's some walls that won't go up, so it will go up. So this is the studio door. From outside you can access here. So this place needs to be blocked. This one here, there'll be a ramp here that goes down there. Yeah, so that's where we are today, doing all this stuff, building with the walls, so doing the walling. This one leads to an outside porch. The porch here up to somewhere there. So all this need to go the same level. All this needs to be the same level. The wall done. Just look at this nice work from our masons. So this is another bedroom. This is a toilet. This bedroom here will be sharing with this one here, a toilet. This is another bedroom. That one will they'll be sharing. So when you look at these, so most parts of the front of this house are not going high because of the windows. You'll be able to put the windows. And this door here leads outside from the kitchen. If you want to get the kitchen here in the living room. This is how and where we are at the moment. The house will go 10 feet up and feed. That's what the owner requested. Yeah, that's what not request, that's what he wanted. The owner wanted. So that's where we are today, guys. It's work. We keep working. I'll keep showing you as days goes where we are. Yeah, so still there's some still what needs to be fixed. We're doing this because from tomorrow we'll be able to fix all this so that it can go. Just look at this fine mark. I love it. How it looks like this. So remember to put on the subscription button, subscribe, and the notification button. The moment you upload the video, you're the first person. This is the main entrance. This is the main entrance to the house. The main entrance to the house. So from up, this is how the house looks like. So the house looks like. From the front part is how the house looks like. Yeah. So the house looks up from the. So you can see that window. There's that window. There is another one there, and there's that one there. Yeah. Thank you so very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for sharing the video. Be blessed abundantly. I'll be able to see you on the next one. I'll be back again. See you and love you all. Happy holidays. Bye bye.